Here are numbers 7 and 8 from section 2.5, where the directions are to find dy dx. Let's start with 7. We have y equals 4 over the cosine of x. My first step would be to simplify this function by pushing the cosine of x from the denominator back up to the numerator with its reciprocal, and that means this function is y equals 4 times the secant of x. Let's go into dy dx now. Dy dx is going to be 4 times the derivative of secant of x, which is secant of x tangent of x. And that's our answer on 7. Number 8 is a function y equals x over 1 plus the cosine of x. And in this case, there's no way to simplify like we did on 7. We're going to have to use the quotient rule. So we begin with dy dx is equal to the low function, so that's 1 plus cosine of x times the derivative of the high function, derivative of x is 1, minus the high function x times the derivative of the low function. The derivative of 1 is 0, and the derivative of cosine of x is negative sine of x. This is all over the low function, 1 plus the cosine of x, quantity squared. Next, we'll simplify the numerator. We're going to distribute the 1 into the 1 and the plus cosine x so that we have 1 plus the cosine of x. Next, we have minus an x times a negative sine of x. So that's a positive now. So plus x times the sine of x. And this is still over 1 plus the cosine of x, quantity squared. No more simplifying to be done. That's just an answer. So there's 7 and 8 on 2.5.